Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear exterior door handle on this 1998 Honda Civic. It's the same part and process on these Civics from 96 to 2000. And we show you on the driver's side, but it's the same procedure on the passenger side. And the items you'll need for this is a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket and ratchet, and a 10mm wrench. Start off by prying off your pull handle panel. And behind here there's two Phillips screws, one here and one here. And you want to remove this Phillips screw up here as well. And we'll just fast forward as Dawn removes those. Now disconnect this harness by just pushing it on the tab and pulling it out. And then pull back on your door handle and it pulls out. And you just want to pry this clip off your door handle rod. And then push your door handle down and out. Now pry out around the edges of your door panel to release the clips. And then your door panel just lifts up and off. Carefully remove your water shield without damaging it. On the side of your door here, there's 3 Phillips screws. You want to just go ahead and remove those. Now pull the lock rod and door handle rod out of that white clip and then push this black clip through the door. And now you can push down your door latch. And that will give you access to this 10mm bolt right there. And you also want to remove this 10mm bolt right here. And you can use a socket and ratchet and an extension to remove this 10mm bolt, and for the other one you're going to need a 10mm wrench. So those are removed, pull your door handle out, and then using a flat blade screwdriver you want to just pry out this clip right here. Take your new door handle and push that rod back into place. And then feed the door handle back into the door. Now hold the handle with one hand and replace that first bolt by hand. And then tighten it up with the wrench. And then put the other bolt into the socket and feed it back up into place. And tighten that up. Now push that black clip back through the door and put your door handle rod and lock rod back into that white clip and push your door latch back into place. And we'll just fast forward as Dawn replaces those 3 Phillips screws. Now replace your water shield and make sure that harness pulls through. Replace your door panel. Just lift it up onto the windowsill and push it down over the lock and into place. Now just hit in the clips around the edges. Reconnect your harness. Put the door handle rod down into the hole on the door handle, and then push that clip back onto the rod. Push your door handle into place and then slide it back. And now we'll fast forward as Don replaces those 3 Phillips screws. Snap your door pull handle panel back into place, and you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.